Po ba 100% masosolusyonan ng expulsion ang karahasan sa eskwelahan at hindi po ba ang pagtangkal sa pribilehiyong makapag-aral sa State University ay isang anti-poor?
Yan. Diyan may makapatayan sa tanong mo na yan. Hindi totoo. I have to confront it. Una, it won't solve. But it will save future students. How can it be anti-poor? You can go naman to PUP. You can go naman to UP. You can go to public schools. But not in PLM. Not in UP. Because when we give you privilege to have a better future, may kaakibat na responsibility. Now, they may argue, is it anti-poor? No. Kailan naging anti-poor na gusto kong iligtas yung pamangkin niyo? Yung pamangkin ka? Wala, may kamag-anak ka. Pinag-aaral na anak. Pinagmamalasakitan ko na sana magkaroon siya ng ligtas, maliwalas na school environment. You are wrong, welcome here. Ito, maraming na nag-aaral dito. Ito, mind you buksan yung data ng PLM. Marami dyan na naminas. Garanti sabi yan, papuputol ko pa daliri ko. Whether doktor, doktor, nurses, lawyers, and all other courses. So, it is not about who's poor or who's rich. It's about the safety of our children so that may kapanatagan ang damdamin ng bawat ina, ama, magulang, na ang kanyang anak na sa loob ng paralan ay maging laging ligtas. Pero yung ibinigay na pagkakataon, ulit-ulitin ko, may responsibilidad. Walang pinagkaiba yan. Mon, huwag kang mag-alala. Yung basura, hahapunin ko sa tapat ng bahay ko. Pwede bang makisuyo? Huwag mong ilalabas sa oras na hindi dapat ilabas. See, I'm doing my job to collect the garbage, but you're doing your job as a citizen. Because you don't want to throw your garbage there. Kasi pag pumulan, so, pag dinino mo yung prinsipyo na yun, it works, it will be better, no? It will be better if people and government work hand in hand instead of identifying such act on a negative way and hearing some, alam mo yung lahat,